Hi all, Rene here. This just came in the mail. It hasn't even been in my house, but maybe 5 minutes. I couldn't wait to open it, but I thought I'd turn on the camera and open it with you. So I have not seen anything in this. So this is the September Sew Sampler Box called Hidden Gem. Okay, so let's take this. The coupon is for 30% off by Annie Notions and More. And it's good through November 20th. So, okay, here's our little booklet. So we can take a look at that. Put this off to the side. So we got, some quilt clips. These are cool. There's 2 in a package. As you can see from the picture, the way they work is they just help you keep your quilt while you're machine quilting. Keep it all contained, which would be really great. Now, I do have a quilting machine, a quilting sewing machine, so it has a really long throat, but even at that, sometimes I need something like this. So this is Sew Mate quilt clips, and the value on that is $9.98. So yeah, those are really nice. I like those. Okay, so what do we get? This is something different. This is different. What is this? What is this? Okay, I don't have to read what exactly this is. Sewing Life tea towel. Value on this is $9.98, and this is by Gingerbread. And it is a Sew Sampler exclusive. It says we got it first, so I'm guessing it'll be coming to the store. But it's just a cute little sewing themed tea towel. That's kind of cute. We haven't gotten something like that before, and the fabric actually feels really good. Okay, so what do we got next? Oh, we got a silicone fuse mat. I have been wanting to try these. This is a very small one. They do come in much larger sizes. I've seen these before. This is the reason I was looking for it was to fuse applique when I'm doing wool, like wool mug mats and such. So yeah, it's silicone. And it is by the Gypsy Quilter. It's 7" by 7" square, and the value on this is $18.98. And again, this is a Sew Sampler got it first exclusive, so that should be coming to the store at some point. And it says it can withstand heat up to 500 degrees. So that's kind of nice. I really like that. It might even, actually, I'm trying to think if I ever do appliques that are any bigger than 7 by 7. This might be a better deal than me getting one of the bigger ones like I was planning. So that's awesome. That's cool. Excellent. Okay, so let's look at the, ooh, it's a big fabric. It is 6, it's Moda Fabrics, Balboa. Wow. Okay, let's take a look at this. This is Petite Balboa Fat Quarter Bundle. And it's by Sherry and Chelsea from Moda Fabrics, and the value on this is $18.98. So these are full fat quarters, not strips, not, the little guys. So let's get that bag out of the way. Then I can show you the fabrics. And this will be easy to fold back up, so I can show you the full fabrics. Let's move that out of the way. So you've got this one. Oh, that's pretty. I like that. Oh, really nice. I am really liking these fabrics a lot. These are my kind of colors. Oh, I like that purple too. Okay, so we've got 6 different fabrics, and they're full fat quarters. So that's really nice. So we'll put that off here to the side, and then let's take a look at our patterns. Oh, this is awesome. It is a project bag. I am very excited about this. I can always use project bags. Truthfully, I'm starting to get to the point where I have so many quilt kits that I'm not going to have room for all the quilts once I make them. So this is really nice. It's called a Pack and Go Project Bag. Let's see. This is a Fat Quarter Shop exclusive for the Sew Sampler. It was designed by Sherry McConnell. And the value on this is $9.98. And let's see, I'm going to look inside real quick at the pattern itself. This is a really nice pattern. It's really heavy. Okay, so here's where it says what you need from the materials. You need 6 fat quarters. So that's what we have here. And so this will be the back. This piece here will be the lining. Patchwork and binding is the purple. This right here, this print is patchwork and patchwork lining. This one is the bag band, handle, and zipper pull. Very cool. This is really neat. I'm looking forward to putting this together. Okay, so it says I'm also going to need an 18 by 21 piece of soft and stable foam stabilizer, a 24-inch zipper, 1/4 yard of Pellin shape flex fusible interfacing, an 8.5 by 20.5 piece of vinyl. And then they also use Wonder Tape and Wonder Clips. And it says optional is a 12-inch piece, 1 by 12-inch piece handle webbing, and a 1/2-inch bias tape maker. I can make my own bias tape. I don't need a maker. I have one of those makers, and half the time I could never get it to work right. So let me look at this real quick. It looks pretty straightforward. It actually looks pretty easy as well. So how fun is that? And then, okay, we got to look at it. Oh, the greatest hits quilt block this time is track number 6. And I try to show it to you without giving you the whole thing. And that's what the block looks like. That's actually kind of a cool block. I do like this one this month. That is a cool block. I could see making a whole quilt of this for a kid. And you could do an I Spy quilt and put your little I Spy piece in here, depending on how small that is. The block itself is 18.5 by 18.5. This is a big block, so I bet you could do an I Spy quilt and have your little I Spy piece there in the middle. That might be actually kind of cute. So, and I told you the pattern is $9.98 and the greatest hits track number 6 is $4.98. So this bag is a really good value this time around, man. I'm really pleased with this one. So again, the tea towel, the fabric, the 2 patterns, the fuse mat, and the quilt clips. So I have to say I'm really glad it didn't come with more pins, because I don't want any more pins. I know that sounds horrible, but I'm really tired of the pins. So I hope if you got the box that you really enjoy what you got as well. Comment down below if you ended up with the same colors, everything. It looks like from here that it's purple. I really like the purple, and there's quite a bit of the purple going around. I like the theme here. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and if you have any questions, let me know. I'll have a link down below to Fat Quarter Shop if you want to check it out. I think they have a waiting list for the subscription box, but get on the waiting list if you're really interested in it. And also, just so you know, I bought this myself. It's not sponsored. I just want to share it because I really love these boxes. I think they are a great way to get some really neat little notions that you probably wouldn't either know existed or would buy for yourself. And then you also get a nice little pattern and the fabric to go with it. And most of the time you get everything you need, other than say backing and quilt batting and that sort of thing. And they're usually fairly quick patterns that won't take you like a full-size quilt. So it's a really good way to get your feet wet on quilting. So I hope you like this. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. And I will see you on my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.